I welcome you all to the Laboratory of Physics of Milestone College. There are some well decorated and rich laboratory in the college with which you are gradually be introduced.
In every science building, there is a physics lab. At first, I will introduce you Lab 1. In our today's journey, I am with you, Muhammad Ashraful Islam, lecturer, Department of Physics, Milestone College.
And I, Mehnaz Akhtar, lecturer, Department of Physics, Milestone College. Before starting the introduction of Physics Lab, I will introduce with our departmental head, Mohammad Shafaiduddin, Associate Professor, Department of Physics, Milestone College. Let's move towards the Lab 1. Now we are entering Lab 1. Here you can see a well decorated physics lab. The instruments are arranged in 3 columns. Instruments, those are used for any experiment, is available here.
In the first row, you can see the instrument of classical mechanics. In second row, there are electrical devices are available, and at last, in the third row, the optical instruments are available. You can see a bookshelf. In this bookshelf, many important and reference books are available both in Bangla version and English version. Now you can see a desktop which is connected with internet. You can see a shelf where many instruments are available. When it is necessary, we use the device from the shelf, and after finishing our experiment, we put in its own place.
Lots of galvanometers, ammeters and voltmeters are arranged here. Those instruments are used for electronic experiments. Next you can see optical bench. Those are used for the experiment of light. After that you can see prism, lens and different types of mirrors which is used in different experiments.
Here you can see a whiteboard. In this whiteboard, we will explain the theory of the experiment.
Physics is becoming rich when we get different types of inventions that was done by different scientists. In the wall, you can see still pictures of those scientists. Different types of experiment, theory, law that was provided by the scientist helps us to understand the topic perfectly. You all should know about them. To do so, we keep here photos of the scientists so that you are able to know about the hard work and invention of the scientists.
You can see here some still pictures where you can see different figure of reflection of light, refraction of light, photoelectric effect and you also can see a figure of Rupur nuclear power plant.
Now we are entering another physics lab, which is Lab 2. Lab 2 is decorated with different types of instruments as like Lab 1. You can see balance on the table, and there are lots of instruments are available here. For those instruments, we can conduct our physics practical classes properly.
This lab is organized as same as the lab 1. Now we are entering to lab 3. You can see there is a garden. Lab 3 are arranged in the same decoration like lab 1 and lab 2. In that wall you can see some still pictures which is as like lab 1 and lab 2. And the instruments are arranged in the same order to lab 1 and lab 2.
Now you can see the beauty of permanent campus of Milestone College. This campus is situated in Diabari. Now we are entering Lab 4, which is in Diabari. There are lots of still pictures in the wall which are related to physics. They help us to understand theory part. There, different types of instruments are decorated. 4 labs of physics are introduced with you in this video. In every lab, you can see different types of photos of scientists. There is a whiteboard in every lab, which is used to write tables and fundamental information about practical. When you will come to this lab, you can understand about science. You can learn and understand different types of topics perfectly. Experiments will make your lessons more easier. Our responsible teacher for Lab 1 is
Mohammad Kamujjaman, Demonstrator, Department of Physics, Milestone College.
Our responsible teacher for Lab 2.
Mahinur Begum, Demonstrator, Department of Physics, Milestone College.
responsible teacher for Lab 3 is
MD Shafiqul Islam, Demonstrator, Department of Physics, Milestone College.
Our responsible teacher for Lab 4.
Muhammad Sujan Mia, Demonstrator, Department of Physics, Milestone College.
Name of this instrument is slide calipers. Slide calipers is used to measure the length, breadth and height of any object. Name of this instrument is screw gauge. Screw gauge is used to measure the diameter of any object. Name of this instrument is balance. Balance is used to measure the mass of any object. Here you can see the box where you have different types of mass. 100 gram, 200 gram, 50 gram, those are available here to measure any type of mass of an object. Here you can see stopwatch. Stopwatch is used to measure the time. You can measure the time less than 1 second with the help of this stopwatch. This is flywheel. Flywheel is used to measure moment of inertia. Here you can see the spring. Spring is used to measure the spring constant. Compare the mass of two body and potential energy. This is simple pendulum. Simple pendulum is used to measure the acceleration due to gravity. Here you can see the speedometer. Speedometer is used to measure the radius of curvature of mirror. This is prism. Prism is used for dispersion of light. It can separate 7 colors from white light. Here you can see the lens. This is convex lens. Here another lens is available which is concave lens. You can see here concave mirror. Here you can see convex mirror. Here we have the glass plate. And you can also see here the plane mirror. This is post office box. Post office box is used to measure unknown resistance.
Is registered by this device. You can change the resistance of a circuit. It is also called variable resistance. This is Joule's calorimeter. By this device, you can measure the mechanical equivalent of it. This is meter bridge. By this meter bridge, you can measure the specific resistance of a wire. This is potentiometer. By this potentiometer, you can measure the electromotive force of a cell. This is two-switch key, and it is used to change the direction of the current. This is resistance box. By this box, you can use the different type of resistance. This is cell box, and we use the battery in that cell box. This is galvanometer. By that galvanometer, we can measure the existence of current. This is ammeter. By this ammeter, you can measure the current in a circuit. This is voltmeter. By this voltmeter, you can measure the voltage of a circuit. This is a stand with pin, and by this device, you can measure the refractive index of a liquid with the help of convex lens and mirror. This is optical lens. By this optical lens, you can measure the focal length of a convex lens. At last, I will introduce a device. This device is IPS, and IPS will provide you the electricity when current is not available here.
In this video, you are observed 4 laboratories of physics of 4 science buildings.
When you will come our modern campus of Milestone College and learn our expert teacher, then you will interested very much about physics.
Welcome you all to the modern campus of Milestone College.